Class 10 English Writing Group B. Process writing. How to prepare ORS. ORS is a useful thing for rehydration. It is important for maintaining balance of water in the body. It is prepared through the following steps. At first, hands, pots, spoons and glass are washed. Next one, liter water is boiled in pot. Then it is cooled. After that, 6 level uh, teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoon of common salt are added. Next, it is stirred. It is stirred well. At last it is ready to drink. How to make a small flower garden. A flower garden is useful for all. At first the soil is dug and prepared. Then seeds and saplings are collected from a nearby nursery. Next they are sown properly. Then it is watered. Next the garden is fenced. At last regular care is taken. Preparation of mustard oil. Mustard oil is an essential thing in our daily life. At first seeds are collected, then they are dried. Next it is crushed in a machine. After that a little water is added. Then oil is extracted. Next oil cakes are separated. Then oil is kept in containers. Next the containers are sealed. At last it is ready for use and sale. How bread is made. Bread is a useful food for our daily life. It is made through the following steps. Bread is made up of 4 ingredients. At first, flour, salt, yeast and water are weighed and taken. Next, it is mixed up. Then dough is prepared. After that it is cut into 1 pound pieces. Next it is rolled and shaped. Then it is baked for 20 to 30 minutes. Next it is sliced. Then it is wrapped in paper. After that it is ready for market. How a school magazine is published. School magazine is a useful thing for the expression of our creativity. It is prepared through the following steps. At first essays, stories, poems and sketches are collected from students and teachers. Then they are edited by the editor. Next, they are sent to press. Then proofs are corrected. Next, final printing is done. Then they are cut into book forms. Next, books are bound. Then the books are distributed among students, teachers and others. How to plant a sapling in the garden. Sapling is a useful thing for our environment. Sapling is planted through the following steps. At first, sapling is brought from market. Next, proper spot is chosen. Then a hole is dug in the soil. Next, soil is kept for refilling the hole. Then sapling is placed in the hole. Next, the hole is filled with loose soil. Then soil is pressed around the sapling with hands. Next, sapling is watered after a little while. Watering is continued for the next couple of weeks. Next, fertilizer is added. At last, fencing is done. How guava jelly is prepared. Guava jelly is a tasty food. It is prepared through the following steps. At first, ripe guavas are bought from the market. Then it is sorted. Next, rotten ones are removed. Next, fresh guavas are cleaned. Then they are cut into pieces. Next, they are boiled for an hour with water. After that, seeds are separated. Next, syrup is added. Then it is boiled again to make thicker. Next, it is cooled. Then preservatives are added. After that, it is filled in jars. At last, it is sent for sale. The process of making a statue. Statue is a necessary thing. It is prepared through the following steps. At first, plaster of Paris is bought from the market. Then it is mixed with warm water. Next, cast of statue is made with wood. Then mixture is poured in. Next, the mixture is left for some time to harden. Then the cast is carefully removed. At last, the statue is taken out. How to prepare hand sanitizer at home. Sanitizer is a necessary thing in our daily life. At first, A clean bowl or container is taken. Next, aloe vera gel or glycerin is mixed with isopropyl alcohol. Then it is mixed thoroughly with spoon. Next, the mixture is taken care of if it is evenly distributed. After that, 5 or 6 drops of essential oil is poured. At last, the sanitizer is stored in an airtight container. How newspapers are produced. Newspaper is a useful thing in our daily life. It is prepared through the following steps. At first, pictures are taken by the press photographers. Then news is or are sorted and edited. Next, types are set in machine. Then paper rolls are inserted. Next, news is or are printed. Then the paper is folded and cut. Next, newspapers are ready for distribution. At last, newspapers are delivered. How a building is built. Building is a useful thing in our daily life. It is made through the following steps. A number A, at first planning is done, then the plan is got sanctioned. Next, masons and laborers are engaged, then the construction is started. After that, doors and windows are fitted. Next, it is plastered, then wiring is done, then electric and water connection is set up. Next, the building is colored. At last, building is completed and it is ready for living.